One of the phenomenon that occurs in constellations that's most challenging is representative perception. So typically we have a group of strangers, or if we're working in individual sessions that I would be representing, in a group we have strangers that are representing, and consistently, and this has been demonstrated tens of thousands of times over the world, over the last 20 years. There have been thousands and thousands of constellations done on all the continents, and the phenomenon of representative perception has been confirmed over and over again. It's uncanny for our cultural mindset, but it happens so often that we have to, at some point, recognize that this is an actual phenomenon that occurs. And what happens is you take a stranger and you just have them stand in stillness and in silence and move their awareness into another person. So it's a bit like a role play, but it's not actually a role play because they're not role playing. They're just moving their awareness as if they were another person. And when they do that, they're actually able to perceive thoughts, feelings, body sensations that are very consistent with the person that they're representing. And very, very often things that they couldn't possibly know or guess at. Things that are way out of the blue. They hear a song, they get a sensation in their body, a pain in their leg, or another type of pain, or a fear comes on, or a sentence comes up, and they mouth something that seems completely incongruous, but it's as if the person that they're representing is speaking. And the family member who's presenting the issue will immediately recognize it as having the ring of truth. The biologist Rupert Sheldrake, who has been studying fields of information in biology and then in animal life and then in human life over the past 30 years, has developed a theory called his theory of morphic resonance. And it dovetails with representative perception seamlessly. He's written a number of books. His latest book is called The Science Delusion. He has a book called Dogs That Know When Their Owners Are Coming Home, which basically the dog has an awareness of the behavior of their owners at a distance. And he's worked it out in great detail. He actually has a very large evidence base. And if you take Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance and you line it up with representative perception, they fit like hand in glove.